Hello, good evening everyone. I'm back with the premium summer collection for you all. I'll be showing you some kurti pieces. Whosoever like, you can take the screenshot and DM me. These all are premium kurti pieces. Today I'm just doing the quick showcasing so that you all can have a look what next we have come up with. थोड़ा सा आइडिया लग जाए आप लोगों को कि क्या नया स्टॉक आया है, and I hope you all will love it.